At last,
gagnant,
the winner
le prix
is
de la montre Homme 2017 est
for the
attribué
Men's
à
Watch
Bulgarie
Prize is
pour la
Bulgarie for
montre
the
Octo Finissimo automatique.
automatic.
Jean-Christophe Mamin, le
Congratulations.
CEO de la Maison Bulgarie, de bien vouloir monter sur
I
scène.
would ask
Le
the
jury
CEO
a
of
été
the Bulgari
impressionné par cette montre renfermant un mouvement mécanique
how
automatique le plus
company
fin du
to
monde.
come to the stage.
Le choix du matériau en
The jury
titane
was
satiné
really
donne une
impressed
touche très contemporaine
by
à
this
cette œuvre
automatic
ressemblant à une
mechanic
sculpture
movement.
taillée dans la pierre.
And the choice of the material in satin finished titanium
Grazie
is a
mille.
very contemporary
We are
touch
Italian
for
and
this
Swiss.
amazing
So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to
piece
thank
that
you
is
all, members of the
etched
jury
in
as well,
stone.
to trust Bulgari, and to celebrate tonight beautiful watchmaking and amazing craftsmanship. I want to thank particularly, obviously, the real architects of that success. I mean, obviously, the Bulgari horlogerie watchmaking team. 350 great craftsmen and creative people working in Saint-Léger, working in La Chaux-de-Fonds, working in Neuchâtel, and working in Le Sentier. Meaning by that this Octo, which has been awarded tonight, is made 100% in-house. We have indeed our case-making facility, our movement-making facility, and our die-making facility. So it's a true mechanical watch from Switzerland, from Bulgaria in Switzerland. And I want to thank especially the two architects of that project, Mr. Guido Tureni, our general manager for watches, and Mr. Fabrizio Bonamassa, our chief design officer. It's thanks to their conviction, it's thanks to the vision, it's thanks to the courage, to the perseverance that over the last 5 years, Octo, which was born from a simple design idea, an octagon in a circle, has become for Bulgari one of the most successful launches ever. It's indeed today our second best-selling line behind the Serpenti, which is the symbol of the brand for ladies. And I think this sends to watchmaking tonight a very, very strong and powerful message of hope for a very bright future. Indeed, Octo was born only 5 years ago, that is 2012. So very, very, very young design and product. And besides the fact that it's holding already 4 world records in the field of elegance and thinness, it's the thinnest ever minute repeater, it's the thinnest ever tourbillon, it's also the thinnest ever automatic mechanical watch. Octo is a true commercial success. And the message it sends, I think, is that we must not rely as industry only on our past icons, only on copying, reinventing, evolving, redesigning our icons. I think truly it's important to do, but it's really not enough. And I think it's really our responsibility, our mission, our duty, the generation of today's watchmaking and younger people than I, to lead our teams in terms of creativity, to lead our team in terms of risk-taking, to really try to write themselves and to write ourselves now in 2017 new pages out of the blue of watchmaking so that the 20th century also will eventually enter in the glorious history of Swiss watchmaking. Thank you very much for the attention.
Alors,
That's why I
prix du
never have
tourbillon et de
prizes, because I
l'échappement
would
maintenant,
forget them.
avec toujours
Okay,
Lauriane, vous
so
allez
now
surveiller ce que vous dites quand même.
We're
Quelles sont les
talking
montres
about
sélectionnées?
the Tourbillon and Escapement Prize.
Royal Oak Offshore tourbillon chronographe de Audemars Piguet. Octo Finissimo tourbillon squelette de Bulgarie. 1740 The First Aid de Descando. Centrale balance pure H12 Aldiman. Mobilis de Louis Monet. Marine tourbillon de Ulysse Nardin.
Oui. Pour remettre ce prix, voici Suzanne Bong, qui est rédactrice en chef de Révolution Asie à Singapour, et Nick Fulks, historien et chroniqueur pour le Financial Times à Londres.
Asie in Singapore, and Nick Fulks, who is historian and columnist for the Financial Times in London.
So, good evening, everyone. 大家晚上好. Bonsoir à tous. We are here, very happy to be here this evening with the luminous Mr. Nick Fulks.
And the awards lady herself. Come on.
Oh, dear. Right, so we're going to find out.
What glue do they use on these things? So sticky.
That's a topic for investigation. And the prize goes to?
Bulgari.
C'est le grand retour de
This is
Jean-Christophe
the great
Alma.
return of Jean-Christophe Alma.
Il était sur scène il y a 8
He
minutes,
was on
il
the
revient.
stage 8 minutes
Monsieur
ago.
Malma,
He's
dis donc.
coming back, mister. What's going on?
Encore un mouvement très plat.
It's
puisqu'il intègre
another
un
very
tourbillon
flat
volant
movement made
le
up
plus
of
fin
the
du monde.
finest
Une
flying
prouesse technique qui
tourbillon
s'habille
in the
aujourd'hui de
world.
platine.
It's a
Le
technical
jury a noté l'élégance
prowess
du mouvement
encased in
noir qui agit
platinum.
par contraste
The
et
jury salutes
transparence.
the
Une
elegance
œuvre
of
très
the
masculine.
black movement that beats with contrast and transparency. It's a manly work.
Sì, vabbè, buonasera di nuovo. I think that really this prize, Karine, I'm sorry you wanted me to speak French, but I think that for our jury members who are especially, English speaking, Nick, my friend, in particular, I think it's important that we keep it in English. So I think this prize, the second one, so again to the jury members, with all my heart, and to the teams, really thank you, it's fantastic. I think this really awards a daring, an innovative, and an uncompromising vision of Bulgaria in the field of watchmaking. We are probably famous for being a very audacious Roman jeweler. And I think that what we are bringing, or what we try to bring day after day since now more than 1 century in Swiss watchmaking, is besides, obviously, the true know-how that we are developing internally, this tourbillon, is also to fuse somehow the genius of Italian design, the genius of Italian style and arts, which have been so much contributed to inspire our jewelry across decades, together, obviously, with this very, very unique and Swiss excellence and mastering of micromechanics and engineering. And our vision, our art, and our dream is also obviously to give birth from a blank page to a new icon. And inspired obviously by those jewelry and Roman codes, the Octo is reborn out the sellings of Basilica Maxentius in Roma. And this octagonal shape, which is quite universal, probably explains success. But I want really to call on stage Mr. Guido Tirreni and Mr. Fabrizio Bonamassa, because they are really the architects that you have to see.
Ouvrez les bouteilles, il y a du monde.
Let's
And
open
I had
bottles. There's
a
so
first
many
message tonight,
people.
which was really the value of taking risk, the value of daring new design and not only relying upon the icon of the past. And I think that Octo proves us right. And my second message is really to the brands, those present here tonight and those not present. To those present, I have to say congratulations, fantastic, extraordinary, why? Because thanks to you, we are even more stimulated year after year to bring fantastic news. And to those not present, I think you should risk, you must come, you have to participate, because you have also to be further stimulated to compete, as competition eventually is the best area of progress. Thank you very much.
Merci.
Thank you.
Merci vous trois. Une des
Thank
plus
you
belles
to
marmes
you
du monde
three.
de l'horlogerie internationale.
You
Vous êtes l'honneur
Honor of the
Ingegnere, avvocato,
international
commendatore.
watchmaking.
Ciao, c'est magnifique, non? C'est un
Magnificent.
triomphe. Non, je suis dans l'admiration.
It's a triumph.
Vous êtes mon maître.
I'm
La
such
soirée s'avance à
an
mon
admirer.